Adrucil Vial contains the medication fluorouracil, which is used to treat different types of cancer. It is a chemotherapy drug that helps to slow down or stop the growth of cancer cells in the body. It is important to follow your healthcare provider's instructions for the correct dosage and timing of Adrucil Vial. The best time to take this medication may vary depending on your specific medical condition, so be sure to consult with your doctor for personalized guidance. Adrucil Vial is typically administered through a vein by a healthcare professional, but it may also be given through other methods of injection depending on your medical condition. The dosage of Adrucil Vial is determined based on your medical condition, body size, and how your body responds to the treatment. It is important to follow the instructions of your healthcare professional carefully. It is important to take Adrucil Vial at the same time each day to maintain a consistent level in your body. The most common side effects of Adrucil Vial include nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, dry/itchy skin, skin darkening, and mild diarrhea. These side effects can be severe, but there are ways to manage them, such as not eating before your treatment, eating several small meals, and limiting activity. Some people may also experience temporary hair loss and hand and foot problems. It's important to protect your hands and feet from heat or pressure to prevent these problems. Remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because they believe the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. If you experience any serious side effects, such as headache, vision changes, or signs of infection, contact your doctor right away. And seek medical help immediately if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. If you experience any other effects not listed, contact your doctor or pharmacist. Before using Adrucil Vial, make sure to tell your doctor about any allergies you have to medications. You should also inform your doctor about your medical history, especially if you have poor nutrition, decreased bone marrow function, blood cell disorders, certain enzyme deficiencies, serious infections, or liver and kidney problems. If you are using Adrucil Vial, be cautious about being around people who have recently received live vaccines, and take care to avoid getting cut or bruised. This medication can make you more sensitive to the sun, so it's important to limit your time outdoors and use sunscreen. If you are pregnant or planning to become pregnant, or if you are breastfeeding, it's important to discuss the use of Adrucil Vial with your doctor. Women and men using this medication should also ask about reliable forms of birth control during treatment and for some time after the last dose. If you have any concerns about the risks and benefits of this medication, be sure to talk to your doctor. It's important to be aware that Adrucil Vial may interact with other medications, which can affect how it works and increase the risk of serious side effects. It's essential to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. One specific product that may interact with Adrucil Vial is warfarin. Additionally, it's crucial to note that fluorouracil is very similar to flucytosine and capecitabine, so it's important not to use medications containing flucytosine or capecitabine while using Adrucil Vial. Always follow your doctor's guidance and take the medication as prescribed for the best results. If someone has taken too much Adrucil and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical attention. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. Your doctor may order certain lab tests, such as complete blood counts, to monitor your progress and check for side effects. It's important to keep all appointments for these tests. If you have any questions or concerns, consult your doctor for more information. Make sure to take each dose of Adrucil Vial according to the schedule prescribed by your doctor. If you happen to miss a dose, make sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist immediately to get a new dosing schedule. Be sure to check the product instructions and ask your pharmacist about how to store Adrucil Vial. Keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. Do not dispose of medications in the toilet or drain unless directed to do so. Properly discard this product and it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for more information. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.